Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hope everyone is doing great. In this video, I'm going to talk about resume, how to create a proper resume to crack a job as a fresher. Before going to in this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. In creating a proper resume, there will be totally 8 sections. As per my knowledge, these 8 sections are most important in any resume. Before going to talk about that, there is basically two types of resumes. One is a horizontal resume and another one is a vertical resume. As per your wish, you can select any one of that. Personally, I like this horizontal resume than vertical resume. And coming to this 8 section, the first section is about you section. In this particular section, you should mention from where you are and your college name and your branch name and everything you should mention here. And coming to the second section is education details. In this section, you should mention about your 10th class marks and plus 2 marks and your graduation marks, everything. And then coming to the next third section is like a skill section. In this particular section, you should mention in which skill you're professional, but don't mention without knowing anything about that particular technology and all. And coming to the next section, fourth section is project. In this section, you should mention about your project and what is your role in this project. And coming to the next fifth section is your experience. If you did any internship in your third year or fourth year, anything, simply you can mention here. Sixth section is any extracurricular activities or any volunteering in your college culturals or any clubs or anything. Next section is like hobbies. Just mention your hobbies and what you regularly do and all. Last section, but not the least, this is a contact section where you should give your email address, phone number. Don't forget this. I think I covered all the points. As per my knowledge as a fresher, these sections are mandatory and these sections are important for any job resume. And that's it for today's video. If you're seeing the video till now, then don't forget to like our video. We'll meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.